So apparently everyone is up in arms about the Michaels Halloween offerings for 2024 so far. Let's go ahead and head on in and see for ourselves. Here we are in the Halloween aisle. It's nice that it's early this year. It doesn't look that... What is this? Okay. I can honestly say I don't think any of us were expecting this display this year. It's certainly very peach. Here we go. Let's take a closer look. Creep it real. A ghost with a flower on it? That's not exactly creepy. Disco balls and the spooky. I don't know what we're thinking here. Are we trying to think spooky or are we trying to think fun? I don't know. Honestly, though, I have to admit, I kind of like it. I know that's probably not what a lot of you were expecting me to say, simply because I do like the scary Halloween decor that's going to make the children cry. But this is just, it's so different that I think it's fun. I could actually see myself putting some of this stuff out in my display. I like this little house collection particularly. That's cute. Groovy ghouls. So apparently this is a 70s vibe. You want to stay groovy. Love the pillow. That's that sort of disco ball. The witch hats, the pink and the peach and the orange. Ooh. If you've been keeping up with my previous videos where I kind of talk about what I'm going to do in my display this year, I was planning to do witches inside. Now, I started that concept thinking of glamorous witches that have now aged and turned sort of haggard. Well, I could actually totally see this as part of the decor inside their home because they are now, 50 years later, they're old, they are grotesque looking, but this is the stuff from their heyday when they were young and glamorous and groovy. I might actually have to incorporate this, but what is that? I will not be putting in a velvet cat. I do like those sort of crystal ghosts. I'm grooving this decor, honestly. I like it. The only thing I don't like, as you know, I'm going to say it one more time, I don't like velvet pumpkins. And what is this? We have velvet tombstones now? Game over. It is, wow, $20 for this? No thank you. But not only is it velvet tombstones, we've got the skulls, of course, we've got candlesticks, and who knows what else. Oh, there's an interesting looking pumpkin there, though. Oh my gosh, little velvet ghosts and hats. I'm in velvet overload. I guess in your 70s theme, this might be the only time that would be acceptable, but I can't do it. I won't do it. I don't like velvet stuff. It doesn't go with Halloween, but neither does this. My mind is kind of blown with this merchandise. I don't know what to think about it. I like these pillows, though. A little bit too orange for their color scheme, I think, but maybe not. We've got a nice little boo there and some more spiders there at the bottom. Oh, I'm definitely, I'd like to do this maybe in my kitchen, but, in order to decorate with this theme, I'd have to invest so much money to make it look cohesive with all this stuff. It might be too much, but I could definitely do like my powder room, something small to start with this and see how it goes, see what the reaction is. But of course, if you are going to buy anything here at Michael's, you're going to want to use those coupons. I have not shopped Michael's. The only time I ever shop here is for Halloween stuff once a year. In fact, I'm working on a Halloween craft project and I meant to buy some crafting paint while I was here. Totally got distracted and blown away by this merchandise, completely forgot it. I'm gonna have to go back. Now it gives me a reason to, I'm going to buy something on my next trip here. So you're gonna have to leave me a comment. What of these items is your favorite? Tell me what I need to buy, assuming I'm gonna put it in my small powder room. I need a few little tchotchkes, little decor to put in there. Not really a huge fan of these skeletons, especially the ones in the bathtub like we're gonna see here in a second. I do like that little spider holding the bowl. That's kind of cute. There it is, the bathtub. Oh, what are they doing? Like sharing drinks in a bubble bath? As you do. We've got a couple little coffin trays there. You can put some food for your guests, or down here some, I don't know, what would you put in these sort of things? I guess you could write it on this, I assume, is a chalkboard coffin sign. I love the pillow selection. Look at that cat holding the fish. That is adorable. The entire selection here, I think they get an A+. Love it. Love the little skulls, the little coffins with the skeletons, the little happy ghost. It kind of looks like my icon. I'm going to have to get one of those. Happy Halloween. I wish I said happy haunting. Look at these eyeball pillows. Love those. The spider's a little simple, same with the witch hat, but look at this. I think this is like a big plush spider. I think it's a pillow. I might get those to put on my sofa. I mean, like, it's so creative this year. Trick or treat, of course, we got sparkly stuff. Love the eyeballs with the cats there. That's very witchy. And then we get back to that now, what I think is the boring decor that we saw at the start of the video. I mean, it's very traditional, very Halloween. Kind of ho-hum at this point. Hopefully, though, we're going to be seeing some more merchandise, and I'm sure, absolutely sure that we will. So stay tuned for future videos. We'll be doing another walkthrough when they put more merchandise out. It is still early in the season, after all. It is only the 1st of July that I'm filming this. We have July, August, September, October, 4 months until Halloween. I love it. It gives us so much time to plan all of our decor, and I'm getting so excited thinking of all of my options. As you can see, my plans keep changing once I see all this merchandise, and I just want everything. So thankfully, this is all they have out for right now. Before we go, I did want to say a special thank you to all the patrons who help support the channel. If you are interested in joining our Fright Club, be sure to check out a link to my Patreon page in the description below. And that's going to do it for today. Thank you all for watching. If you want to see more DIYs, product reviews, store walkthroughs, and more, be sure to subscribe. Please help us get to that 100,000 mark maybe this year. Who knows? And if you haven't checked out our other channel, Mike and Tom, there is a link to that in the description below. Really would appreciate getting to 1,000 subscribers there. Happy haunting, everyone.